Guys, hello everyone and welcome to the channel. So in this particular video I'm going to make a very important announcement regarding a scholarship test which is going to be conducted on the Unacademy platform. Now with this particular test you can get up to 100% scholarship on the Unacademy Plus subscription on the Unacademy platform. Okay, so if you qualify in this test you can get all the benefits of that. What is this test about, when it is going to be conducted, what is the syllabus, what are the number of questions, everything I'm going to talk about in this video. So watch this video completely. Alright, so the test is scheduled on 28th of Feb and it is going to be conducted at 12 noon to 1:15 p.m. That means the timing of the test is going to be around 75 minutes. Alright, this particular test is for chemical sciences students and there will be 30 questions in the test. Okay, so 30 questions, 75 minutes, 28th Feb from 12 noon to 1:15 p.m. That's all about the information about it. Okay, now talking about the prizes, what are the prizes which are going to be given to the candidate. So the rank 1 and rank 2, the student who is going to get rank 1 and rank 2 is going to get 100% scholarship on Unacademy Plus subscription. That means you don't have to pay a single penny while taking Unacademy Plus subscription for CSIR Net batch. The second prize is for rank 3rd to rank 10th. So from rank 3 to rank 10, the students are going to get 75% scholarship on their Unacademy Plus subscription. From rank 11 to rank 35, aspirant is going to get 50% scholarship on Unacademy Plus subscription. That means if the subscription amount is, let's say, 10,000, so that person has to just pay 5,000 to get that subscription. All right, the last prize is going to be for rank 36 to rank 150. So if a candidate is having rank in between of rank 36 to rank 150, in that case he is eligible to get 25% scholarship on the Unacademy Plus subscription. So the subscription amount is going to get reduced by that. So the link to join the test is going to be there in the description of this video. You can click on the link and you will be taken to the test page. Make sure that you enroll yourself before the test starts. Okay, so today if you are watching this video, just click on the link, enroll yourself, so that when the test starts you will get a message before that and you can attend the test on time. All right, now there are certain terms and conditions also, because there are certain rules which have been set up so that all the students get most of the benefit from it. So let's talk about those terms and conditions now. The first term is that you have to avail the scholarship within 7 days of getting it. Okay, that means if you qualify the test that is going to be conducted on 28th, so from 1st to 7th March you have to take subscription. Otherwise after that the scholarship benefits are not going to be provided. That's the validity of the subscription benefits. The second thing is that scholarship is only applicable on 6-month and 12-month subscription. So in case if you are planning to take 6-month or 12-month subscription on Unacademy platform, wait for a while, give this test, perform well in this test, take out the benefit of the scholarship, and then you have to pay a little bit less amount, right? The next thing is that this particular scholarship is only applicable on Plus subscription, not on Iconic subscription. Now what is Iconic subscription? So Unacademy offers two type of subscription. One is called as Plus subscription, the other one is Iconic subscription. In the Plus subscription you get all the classes from the educators, you get doubt clearing sessions, you get mock tests. Okay, whereas in the Iconic subscription you get all the benefits of a plus plus learner. That means classes, mock test and doubt clearing session. Apart from that, you also get a personalized coach, the coach or a person who is going to be connected to you and who is going to guide you throughout your preparation process. Okay, also that particular person is going to help you out wherever you need guidance, that what should I do next. Also, like, you will be getting notes, and also these are all benefits of Iconic subscription. I will not talk about that over here because the test is more confined for the Plus students. So yeah, that's what I want to make clear, that you cannot avail this scholarship over Iconic subscription. You can only avail this for the Plus subscription. Okay, now the next thing is that there is no additional benefit or additional discount based on the referral codes. Now I usually tell my students that the referral code of mine is n_huda. You can use that. to get 10% discount. But if you are using this scholarship benefits, in that case you will not be able to apply any additional like referral code. Okay, so any additional referral code is not going to be valid over there. The next thing is that these scholarships are only applicable for non-plus learners. These are not available, or these are not going to be applicable for plus learners. So if you are plus learner, this test will not help you to get any scholarship. Okay, so this is not for the plus learner. For non-plus learners, those who are not on the platform, they are going to get benefited from this particular test. All right, the last point is that a learner can only avail the benefit of scholarships for 180 days on the Unacademy platform. It means that if you are giving this scholarship test, let's say on 28th of Feb, and you are using the scholarship benefit of that to take Unacademy Plus subscription, so the next Unacademy Plus scholarship test, if it happens somewhere, let's say in April or March, so you have to see that whether that is within the 180 days gap or not. So within 180 days you cannot use two scholarship test benefit on the same account. Okay, that's what it means. So these were terms and conditions regarding it. This test is basically provided for mostly for the non-plus learners and for those who are looking to take Unacademy Plus subscription, but yet they were like reluctant because of the amount and all. Okay, so you can perform in the test, you can give the test, get a good rank, and then you will get the scholarship, right? Now, apart from all these things, apart from all the benefits of Unacademy, whatever Unacademy says, I have just discussed about that. Now I'm going to say something one-on-one. Okay, that's between you and me. Okay, it's just between us. As a teacher, as a mentor, I'm going to suggest you. See, you might be thinking that this is what Unacademy is doing, and I don't need that scholarship. Okay, it might strike to your mind, and obviously being a normal student, it might think, like, you might think ki, I don't want this scholarship, I don't want Unacademy Plus subscription. Fine, you don't want Unacademy Plus subscription, but it's a platform, or it's a place where a lot of students are going to give this test, and there will be a lot of number of students who are going to compete. So if you give this test, you are going to see that where you stand over there. Okay, within those all number of students, where you actually stand. So even though if you are not willing to take subscription, but yet you can still give this test to check out yourself, like you can just do the self analysis, and who knows, if you qualify this test, if you get a good rank in the test, you can just you can make up your mind that yes, I want to take subscription. So what I want to say over here is, this test is a good opportunity where you can just self analyze yourself, and you can also think about it in a way that if you want to take Unacademy Plus subscription, this is a way where you can get some discount more than what Unacademy usually offers. So by performing in the test, if you get through the ranks, as I told you in the starting itself, the rank and how much a scholarship a particular person is getting, so yeah, you will get up that much amount of scholarship. Now the link and how to reach out to the test, that's there in the description of this video. Also, I'll pin that down in the first comment of the video. You can just reach out through that link to the Unacademy like Unacademy learning app and enroll yourself now only. Okay, the second way to reach out to these tests is on the Unacademy app. You can go to the test section and you can go for upcoming test. Over there you can find out this test named as Unacademy Accelerate. Okay, so Unacademy Accelerate is the name of the test. You can check it out, and there you can enroll yourself in the test. Make sure that you are enrolling yourself in the chemical sciences test. Okay, so this is all about this video, guys. I just wanted to make you guys aware about the test. I just wanted to make you guys aware about the benefits of the test, and it's all up to you. It's your decision. If you want, you can go for it. If you don't want, it's your decision. All right, so that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye.